Hi, welcome to another A Day in My Life vlog. Today, my day is going to be really interesting, so I thought this would be the perfect day to vlog. So I woke up and today was arm balance day, so I did some yoga, and right now I just had some lunch and got ready. So the first thing that we are going to tackle is actually take Sushi and Shadow to the groomers. So I thought I will take you guys along with me. This would be so much fun. Sushi is already ready, and once I leave Sushi and Shadow at the groomers, I have another appointment. So I'm going in for a laser consultation at Clinique Dermatech, and I also want to see what other services they have. So it's my first ever consultation with them. I don't know what to expect, so I'm looking forward to that too. Let me also show you what I'm wearing. This dress is H&M, this jacket is Mango. This bag is Marc Jacobs, and these shoes are 212. I will try and find them and link for you guys. So let's go. Bye, Sushi.
शुभ बात है।
हाँ।
सुशी तो अंदर नहीं जा सकता।
So this is my current PCA. You will see that you will have the previous month from November onwards. You can see the difference in fat percentage as well. So it's gone down quite dramatically, but it's as you can see in that segmental body analysis, it's all in the center of my body.
Yes.
So that's what I really wanted to work on, and I've never really tried the process. So I wanted to learn more about the process and how it works.
Okay, so let me help you understand what HIFU is.
Right.
HIFU with Clinique Dermatech is high intensity focused ultrasound. So this is your skin, this is the dermis, epidermis, subcutaneous fat, and then we have a thin layer called as a S mass out here. This is where HIFU works.
Okay.
Alright. So you're looking at intensive typing, toning, and upliftment of any given body part. It could be your abdomen, it could be your arms, it could be your sides, whatsoever. It works fantastic because this is the only energy after RF, which is radio frequency.
Right, that's also used to tone, right? Yeah.
That's more profound and is high penetrating.
Okay.
So HIFU is a good choice to go with.
So now they're going to take measurements of my stomach and also my arm, just so that I can see the before and after. This is my stomach after I've eaten. You can see there's a little bit of a bulge. So right now I am at a 22% fat percentage, which was 27% in November, and now I've gone down to 22. So despite being a lot of inch loss, I still have the majority of my fat just saturated in my stomach. I think it has to do with my genetics. There is like very normal fat percentage on my legs. Like if you see the segmentation of my fat around the body, like the legs and the arms, everything is like under normal range, but everything is kind of saturated in the stomach. And when you're working out, you can't really direct fat loss at a certain area. You can't like target fat loss in one particular area. When I'm working out, when I'm doing cardio, it's going to start taking fat away from different part of the body at different times. So I can't really do certain exercise and only burn fat in my tummy. Quite a lot of difference in the middle, no?
Yes.
So we started at 82. This is what, inch?
Centimeter, sorry.
This is 82 centimeter to 79 centimeter, and the upper abdomen is kind of pretty much the same. So I just got done with the entire procedure. Time to go pick up my babies. I miss them so much. I hope they're doing okay.
Is she okay?
They just got back home and got out of their bags. They're like so confused. Yes, I know. I'm sorry. She got a haircut. I wish she got a haircut. That's it. I just got back home. I only have 30 minutes till I go live. I'm actually going live on Mintra's Instagram page, and we're doing like a really nice Valentine's Day look, virtual date look. So I have to get my base on. I literally have no time to breathe. I just made some green tea and now I'm just going to remove my yoga mat. I didn't even get time to remove my yoga mat and I just left. So I will be using this table to film. So I'm just going to sort everything out now. Oh my god, you guys, that was super duper stressful, but I really love the way the look turned out. It's time for me to clean everything up. I think I love going live, I love doing looks, but cleaning, not my favorite thing to do, but I need to do it. Just got done cleaning. Everything is back where it belongs. I am so tired. I actually had 2 more videos to film. One Huda Beauty Valentine's look that I'm actually very excited to film, and we also have a sale going on my products. The Define liners are on 25% off, so I really wanted to create a look for that, but I really don't have the energy today. Today's been so draining. I'm so hungry. I need to eat as well. I'm so bad at ending my vlogs. It's actually the next day after I ate. I just watched some Netflix and I completely passed out. Now I'm actually just editing this video and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye.